What's up guys, Miguel here. Quick video update on the 3rd gen 4runner. It's going to be a walk around video. Took it to a Battleborn off-road yesterday to level out the back. They put a Daystar 1.5 inch spacer to level out the rough country 3-inch lift. For some reason the front lifted supposedly 5 inches or whatever. I don't know if that's correct, but now it's pretty level. Since the last video, a lot of work has been done. So there's the rough country lift is the N3 R1 Concepts slotted rotors for the front. Put a AC Delco drum with Ray Bestos shoes with a Ray Bestos spring kit. Changed to a TRQ sway bar end links for the front and the rear. Still the same Piaa fog lights, bull bar, and over here I have the energy suspension, sway bar bushing. It's a rebuilt Toyota rack and pinion. We've done the lower ball joint tie rod ends. In the rear is the same thing. I got a full-size spare in the back by Vision Wheels, and there's the rough country in the back. Gobi ladder. Really wanted one of those for the 3rd gen. 70 my dash cam, and nothing really on the inside. On the inside, I'm keeping it just the way it is because it's very nice. Suntech Evolve for the windshield, Broadway mirror, and oh, can't forget this for all the 90s kids. Air Spencer Plum WeatherTech mats, Spiker hood, and Scarab off-road hood light. Ended up putting a new battery, Denso radiator, and then G+ silicone hoses for the coolant. We did a Gates timing kit on here. The one on Amazon came with a different timing belt, so I actually had to buy another timing belt for it. Water pump and everything was done along with it. And for now I'm pretty much done with it. What I'm thinking next, Piaa fog lights. What I'm thinking next for this 4runner is the WeatherTech rain guards, but for now I think I've spent just about as much as I want to spend on it for this season of it. 300,000 miles from Toyota, and that's pretty much it. That is my 3rd gen 4runner walk around update, and that's what she looks like right there.